Hey, welcome to How's It Channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to add channel information on YouTube. Open a web browser and go to your YouTube channel. Click on About tab. Click on Channel Description. Here you need to tell the viewer about your channel. What kinds of videos are you going to post? You can also tell yourself. Basically, you need to attract the viewer to subscribe to your channel. Click on Done when you're finished. Click on Email and add your email address to use for business inquiries. Click on Done. Select your location. The last step is to add links to your social media. You can add up to 5 links. It can be Twitter, YouTube, Google+, etc. To add a link, click on Add. Add link title, for example, YouTube. Copy the link from your social media and paste it. Click on Done. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.